know we're expecting him in any minute. Do you really live here, or is this a train station?
We really live here. Now would you all come here for a moment, please? This is Annie. She will be with us for Christmas. Annie, this is everyone.
Hello, everyone. May I take your coat, miss? Will I get it back?
Of course, dear. Now, what would you like to do first?
The floors. I'll scrub them first. Then I'll get to the windows and...
Oh, Annie, you won't have to do any cleaning while you're here.
Really?
You're our guest.